Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Ever dreamed of starting your own business but thought, I don't have the money? Well, what if I told you that you can start a business with zero in your pocket? Yes, really. In this video, we're diving into 10 businesses you can start with zero in 2025. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these ideas are legit, actionable, and perfect for beginners. Oh, and if you're serious about starting your business, stick around till the end because I'll show you how learnbusiness.org can help you turn these ideas into reality. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, or even social media management, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you create a profile for free and start pitching to clients. Pro tip: start small, build your portfolio, and gradually increase your rates. And if you're not sure where to start, learnbusiness.org has a fantastic guide on how to become a successful freelancer. Check it out. 2. Dropshipping. This is perfect if you want to sell products without holding inventory. You set up an online store, partner with suppliers, and they ship the products directly to your customers. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to get started. The best part? You only pay for products after you've made a sale. It's like having a business without the upfront costs. For a step-by-step guide, head over to learnbusiness.org. They've got you covered. 3. Content creation. Love creating videos, writing blogs, or taking photos? Turn that passion into a business. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram let you monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It might take time to grow, but the best part? It costs $0 to start. Just grab your phone and start creating. And if you need tips on growing your audience, learnbusiness.org has some killer strategies. 4. Online tutoring. If you're good at math, science, or even playing the guitar, online tutoring is a great option. Platforms like tutor.com or even YouTube let you share your knowledge and get paid for it. All you need is a stable internet connection and a passion for teaching. And guess what? learnbusiness.org has a free template to help you create your tutoring profile. Go check it out. 5. Social media management. Businesses are always looking for someone to handle their social media. If you're good at creating posts, engaging with followers, and running ads, this is for you. Start by offering your services to small businesses or friends. Build your portfolio, and soon you'll have clients lining up. For more tips, visit learnbusiness.org. They've got a whole section on social media marketing. 6. Virtual assistant. Are you super organized? Become a virtual assistant. You can help businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Platforms like Belay and Time, etc. can help you find clients. And if you want to learn how to stand out as a VA, learnbusiness.org has a detailed guide just for you. 7. Affiliate marketing. Love recommending products? Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, and start sharing your favorite products. It's free to start, and the earning potential is huge. For a beginner's guide, head over to learnbusiness.org. 8. Handmade crafts. If you're crafty, why not sell your creations? Platforms like Etsy let you set up a shop for free. Whether it's jewelry, art, or candles, there's a market for handmade goods. And if you're not sure how to price your items, learnbusiness.org has a pricing calculator that's super helpful. 9. Blogging. Love writing? Start a blog. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger are free to use. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. It might take time to grow, but the best part? You can start today with $0. For tips on writing engaging content, check out learnbusiness.org. 10. Pet sitting or dog walking. Last but not least, pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, this is a fun way to make money. Apps like Rover connect you with pet owners in your area. It's a great way to earn extra cash while hanging out with adorable pets. And if you want to learn how to market your services, learnbusiness.org has some great tips. So there you have it, 10 businesses you can start with $0 in 2025. Whether you choose freelancing, dropshipping, or pet sitting, the key is to take that first step. And remember, learnbusiness.org is your ultimate resource for starting and growing your business. They've got guides, templates, and tools to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Business channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.